Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share your comments, and let's know what you think about each topic we share on this channel. But remember to be respectful about it. We can always disagree to agree, but that's the beauty of democracy. You know, people are calling out Peter Obi's supporters that they are hating. Anybody who doesn't support Peter Obi, they hate them. But I'm saying, I understand where they are coming from. I know they are angry at a system that has consistently suppressed the people. A system that has taken away the future of the youth. A system that has destroyed the economy. A system that has been hijacked by a few through corrupt practices that has impeded the development of Nigeria. But we'll get to that. Once again, this is Chris Digos in Open Whispers. When the uninitiated throw sand at the masquerade should know that his time is up. All these political elites in Nigeria, all these recycled politicians, is their game up? Your guess is as good as mine. As 2023 Nigerian general election is around the corner, let us remember that our greatest weapon is not just to register to vote, nor is it to vote, but to guide and guard our votes so that our vote will count. It's not important whether our candidates are winning or losing, but at the end of the day, having performed that civic duty, you'll be satisfied you did your best. So once again, remember, you see something, say something, and do something. In your doing something, that is where the change comes, and not in your keeping quiet or being docile about the system that has suppressed you. That anger you have against the system, show it through your vote and not through hating. If you see what is going on in the political landscape of Nigeria today, there is no politician that does not call Peter Obi's name. Peter Obi's name could be mentioned up to 1 million times in a day. Then the question is, which is actually what I asked in my previous video, why is everybody afraid of Peter Obi? But the answer came from the people that responded. It's not Peter Obi that they are scared of, it's change. But the only thing permanent in life is change. Because whenever the people whisper secretly, it's called secret whispers. Once they turn to open whispers, you know, the tyrant should know that his time is up. The tyrants in Nigerian political space, is their time up? What are they scared of? They use religion to divide the people. They use the ethnicity to divide the people just for their own selfish interest. And that brings me to the question somebody asked the spokesman for Northern Elders Forum, Dr. Hakim Baba, a very intelligent man, who anyway, the brother, is the running mate to the Labour Party presidential candidate, Peter Obi, Datti Baba. Somebody asked him on his Twitter page that since his brother is the running mate to Peter Obi, whether the Fulanis and the Igbos have reconciled or are friends now. And he replied him intelligently. He said that my brother is not representing the Fulanis like Peter Obi is not representing the Biafrans. Very intelligent question. You see, when people want to be selfish, they become shady. They throw up hate. They throw up religion and weaponize it to divide the people. 2023 general election in Nigeria is not about Peter Obi. It's not about Muslims. It's not about Christians. It's about, according to him, the roadmap to Nigeria's rebirth. Should we decide to continue doing things the old way with the same old people that have plagued our economy? Or do we decide to change gear and move Nigeria forward so that our children who are on strike, who are home because the lecturers in Nigeria have been on strike for the past 4 months, so that they can go back to school, so that the corruption in NNPC will stop? Peter Obi's running mate Datti Baba said that he's allergic to waste. An economist. That tells you something, that with this dream team, Nigeria should know that it is now or never. Look at all the political forces or the presidential candidates and their running mates. Peter Obi has chosen Datti Baba, an economist, a man in tandem with his own dream of turning Nigeria from consuming economy, consumption economy, to production economy. ATIKU ABUBAKAR has chosen another man, Okowa, the governor of Delta State, South State in Nigeria, as his running mate. A man with proven integrity too, a uniter. I give him that. BOLA TINUBU today unveiled Kasim Shettima, the former governor of Borno State, a state that has been ravaged by Boko Haram. A man with a lot of controversies. What I listened to today was one of the clips, audio clips, was allegedly recorded and said by him. I listened to that, was very, very disturbing. This is the man under his watch. The Chibok girls were kidnapped. We don't have a problem with Muslim ticket. BOLA TINUBU, in trying to make it look good, say he's talking about competence. And I agree with him. People should not bring religious sentiment to divide the people. But is he really competent? Going by his antecedents. We should go to history and dig up each person's antecedents and see what they stand for. Would they unite Nigeria or divide Nigeria more? You can't be a president or a vice president when you have a certain disdain for a particular ethnic group. When your notion is to come and clap them or to checkmate them. We want people with liberal minds who will unite the country, irrespective of religion, irrespective of ethnicity. Any of them that doesn't have it is not worthy of being a Nigerian president or vice president. What are you bringing on board? What do you stand for? And this is where the Nigerian masses should be given the opportunity to choose their leader. It is now or never. I've aligned with Peter Obi, and I don't regret that. People are asking me, will he win or will he not win? It's irrelevant. Our future here is at stake. I can't come on air and say a lot of controversial things because I want to get followers. No. But I'll tell you the truth. Because the Bible says that it's only the truth that can set you free. Because a nation without a vision suffers. Do we keep on recycling the same old politicians and expect a different result? It's called madness. Or do we recycle people who have dangerous antecedents, religious extremism that they have been practicing? In this case, the voters will decide, is it really what they want? Let me know what you think. TINUBU has unveiled his running mate today. A Muslim. Not just a Muslim, but an extremist in my own view and in people's view. PDP has reacted and clamped down on it and condemned it and said that it means TINUBU and his party hate Nigeria for not taking the diversity or the religious diversity or cultural diversity of the nation in place. They also claim that people can refer to Abiola and Kingibe, Muslim. They are saying that that era has gone. that we are living in a time where Nigeria is deeply divided along religious lines and ethnic lines. That if you are nominating, like ATIKU ABUBAKAR did, a Christian and a Muslim, dream team, P2B and Datti Baba, Muslim dream team, then BOLA TINUBU, a Muslim. Is it feasible in Nigeria today? It's for voters to decide. So let me know what you think. But in my opinion, I believe that people should stop fighting or condemning each other, or trolling people on social media. I understand your anger, but express it through your vote. Each one, tell one, go out there, campaign, bring people out to register. It has nothing to do with religion or ethnicity. Reach out to your friends. You build bridges in politics and not bomb bridges. This is what I'm always saying in this channel, that we have to rise above ethnicity and religious divide and know that the future of our children is at stake. In as much as we are talking about the capacity of each of them, their antecedents should be considered. Kazim Shettima, the former governor of Borno, with a lot of controversies surrounding him, his personality. Is he the person that will help APC to win this next general election? Or is it P2B and Datti Baba? Two people in Father Bakar's time who are stingy. At least you can say where they are coming from. Even if you dig their closets, I don't think you see any there. Is it the people that Nigeria will want in the new Nigeria Rebirth Project according to Akim Baba? Or is it ATIKU ABUBAKAR and Okowa who claim that they are unifiers? It's for Nigerians to decide. But for me and my family, we are obedient and we follow Obi to the end. Whether he wins or not is a case of principle. Doing what is right. Tomorrow, I will say, when it was time, I counted. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please, do keep in touch. Subscribe, hit the like button, share the video. Until we meet again in the arena. See something, say something, and most importantly, do something. Thank you.